So I invite you, if you're comfortable, to just close your eyes, or if not, find a place where you can soften your gaze, a spot on the ground or a chair, or if you're in a room somewhere, just allow yourself to focus on something and allow your gaze to soften. And I invite you to just imagine right now that you are outside, you are somewhere on a trail, on a path, in the woods. The sun is shining brightly. There's a slight breeze moving through the leaves. And as you look around, you can sort of see that silver flash of the leaves as they flutter in the wind. Just take a nice deep breath in. Just feel that presence. Feel that calm, that warmth of the sun. And as you stand there, now maybe turn with your face towards the sun and just imagine you're raising your head up slightly, your eyes are closed. You can put your hands alongside of you, or if you're seated, you can just put them on your legs with palms up. Just feel that warmth. Feel that connection in this moment. You think to yourself, this is what it's like to feel present. This is what it's like to feel connected and at peace. While you're in this space, just allow your thoughts to drift off. If something comes up, just allow it to move on. Like the wind, that slight breeze that you feel is carrying it away. And in this moment, just allow these words to be your words. I am peace. I am compassion. I am connected to all that is. Heaven is here right now, in me, in this experience. And I carry that connection wherever I go. I openly share this heaven experience with all who are in contact with me. I am the light. And with those words, you find yourself back in this space. With some clarity, with some peace. And take a nice deep breath in. Let that go. And at your readiness, you can open your eyes. Namaste.